Hey, DIYers and professionals alike! Whether you're building furniture, framing, or working on detailed trim, a good miter saw can be your ultimate ally. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best miter saws to make your woodworking projects easier, faster, and more precise. But before we get started, make sure to check the little link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, we have the Makita LS1099L 10-in Dual-Bevel Sliding Miter Saw. Anyone who's short on workspace but still wants maximum cut capacity may want to check out the LS1090L from Makita. This saw features a 10-inch blade, dual bevel action, and a laser cut line for accurate cuts. The 15-amp motor has plenty of power and spins at 3,200 revolutions per minute for cutting a variety of wood materials. This saw has specially designed rails that come toward the user, allowing this saw to be positioned closer to a wall. These zero-clearance rails make this saw a great choice for a workshop or other areas where space is limited. During testing, there weren't many areas where the Makita didn't excel. The zero-clearance arm and its action were excellent, and the saw had plenty of power. Also, the laser helps line up the cut, and the dust collection is top-notch. The only issue we found was that the saw was a little complicated to set up, and despite Makita touting that this saw is light, it's not that light, weighing in at almost 60 pounds. Coming in at number 4 is the Makita LS0815F 8.5-in slide compound miter saw. For woodworkers needing a miter saw for the workshop or to take on a job site, this Makita tool doesn't disappoint. It cuts boards up to 12 inches wide, and it features pull-out material stabilizers to support boards when cutting. Weighing in at only 31 pounds, this miter saw is easy to transport, and it bolts to the work table for stability. The Makita saw comes with a dust collection port. For added safety, it features a trigger brake that stops the blade from spinning when the user releases the trigger. It also comes with a soft start designed to reduce movement and improve accuracy. Additionally, the saw cuts bevels in both directions. We like this saw's smaller blade, as it appeared not to deflect, meaning to bend while cutting like a 12-inch blade might. The motor was powerful enough for a smaller saw, but the cut capacity was outstanding. The soft start, on the other hand, was a little rough, giving the saw a bit of a chattery feeling until the blade sped up. Our other complaint was that the blade did not tilt to the right, limiting the saw's capability a bit. At number 3, we have the Craftsman V20 Cordless 70/4-in Sliding Miter Saw Kit. The most significant benefit of the Craftsman V20 is its small footprint and lightweight design. Also, the ability for it to be used even when electricity isn't available is a plus. Lithium-ion batteries are getting more powerful, and this miter saw can make up to 585 cuts through a 3/4-inch medium-density fiberboard on a single charge. It accepts a Craftsman 20-volt rechargeable battery, which is included along with a battery charger. This miter saw features a powerful motor that spins the blade at a rate of 3,800 revolutions per minute, making it well-suited to cutting wall studs, baseboards, and molding with ease. It also slides, making it possible to cut boards up to 8 inches wide. We weren't exactly sure what we'd find with the Craftsman V20 saw, mainly due to its weight. It's just 31 pounds and the large number of plastic pieces. But it was easy to put together, cut well, and was shockingly quiet. We could see using this saw for projects like flooring or trim work, though it did handle the construction lumber. Our only real qualms were the plastic and the single bevel action rather than dual. Number 2 on our list is the DeWalt 12-in Double-Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw. Anyone looking for a miter saw that does almost everything well may want to check out the DeWalt 12-inch sliding miter saw. The saw comes with a powerful 15-amp motor, and its sliding rails allowed us to cut a board up to 16 inches wide. With its dual compound action, there's no need to turn a board over to cut an opposing angle. Just tilt the blade arm in the other direction. This DeWalt miter saw also features a bright LED light that illuminates the cutting field so the user can see exactly where they're cutting, but it does not have a laser guide. For easier cleanup, it includes a collection dust bag designed to catch up to 75% of the dust it generates. During testing, the DeWalt saw proved to be a worthy tool. Despite not having a laser guide, the onboard LED light and powerful motor made cutting a breeze. We appreciated the large cutting capacity, though it does come at the cost of requiring a lot of room for the rails. Also, instead of a turning knob to lock the saw angle in place, this saw uses a locking lever for quick angle changes. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Bosch GCM12SD 12N Dual-Bevel Glide Miter Saw. The Bosch GCM12SD 12-inch miter saw comes with a sliding arm that allowed us to cut boards up to 14 inches wide. The saw comes with pull-out material supports on both sides to stabilize boards up to 40 inches long, and it cuts compound bevels in both directions. The clear saw guard on the Bosch miter saw is designed not to obstruct the user's view of the cut, and we were able to clearly see our cut lines from start to finish. The trigger handle features an ergonomic grip that can be used by either right-handed or left-handed users just as comfortably, and it features a padded non-slip grip. Fences are adjustable, and the miter scale numbers are etched into stainless steel for durability. During testing, we found that the Bosch saw truly does belong at the top of this list. First, it has a zero-clearance slide arm that can sit up against a wall if necessary. The smooth zero-clearance arm makes accurate cuts. Also, there wasn't any assembly to deal with, and there are lots of additional references for roof rafters and valley cuts built in. The dust collection is outstanding, and the motor is incredibly powerful. The only qualms anyone might have with this saw is that it's a little heavy for carrying around the shop, and there aren't any lasers or lights. There you have it, the top 5 best miter saws to level up your woodworking game. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews and project tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.